Okay, hello, good day everyone. This is Kidurz Fx. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it is your first time on this YouTube channel, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video concerning this strategy. Alright, this strategy still the same strategy, the 2-in-1 all synthetic killer. I'm doing this video all because I got so many complaints in the previous videos. Some people told me they couldn't hear what I'm saying. Some people told me the setup was not complete, and when I checked that, I noticed there moving averages in the window indicator 1 wasn't there. So I'm gonna complete this setup now. So I'm gonna give you guys this setup on this video first before I'm gonna summarize how the strategy works. Okay, now so this is volatility 10 index. Let me move to boom and crash index. Let me move to crash 500 first. All right, this is crash 500 currently. So, and I told you the strategy works for 15 minutes time frame. So all right, here we go. The first moving average on my main chart is the period 10. Shift is 0, method is exponential. Okay, apply to close. Star is 2 pixel, the color is red. There you click on done. All right, the second moving average on my main chart. Okay, please take note of this. It is the moving average period 48. Stay on my main chart. Okay, the period is 48. My shift is 0 and method is exponential. Apply to close. Star is 2 pixel and the color is blue. Then you click on done. All right, I believe you can see the 2 moving average on my main chart now. So all right, I'm moving to the window indicator now. All right, so in order to add the window indicator on your chart, you still have to click on this main chart. I believe you can see this. You click on this plot sign, then you move to the stochastic. All right, we have the stochastic oscillator. The key period of the stochastic oscillator is 1. The D period is 1. The slowing is 1. The price feed is low/high. The method is simple. Star is 1 pixel. All right, the star is 1 pixel and the color of the main is white. All right, the color of the signal is white. The reason why the color is white is because I'm using the white background from my chart. If the color of your chart is black, please use black color like this. All right, so I'm using the white color, or because the color of my chart is white. All right, the levels there are the levels 20 and the levels 80. Okay, so the color is black and the star is 2 pixel. Then you click on done. All right, you can see this on my chart now. All right, let me use this. I believe someone can see this. The second window we're gonna be having in this same range, because we're having 2 window here. All right, so the second window we are having on our indicator window 1 is the relative strength index, which is also known as the RSI. Okay, so the period of the relative strength index, let me use the word RSI, the period of it is period 1. Apply to close. The star is 2 pixel, the color should be white. All right, then the levels are level 10 and the level 90. All right, then the color is black, the star is 2 pixel as well. Then you click on done. All right, you're gonna have this on your chart. We have the levels 90, the level 80, we have the level 20 and the level 10. All right, so now the first moving average on our window indicator is the moving average period 48. The color is black. The method is exponential, apply to close. Then the style is to pixel, you click on done. Alright, the second moving average on our indicator window 1 is the moving average period 50. We have the period 50 there. So the method is exponential, the period is 50, the style is to pixel, apply to close, and the color is red. The style is 3 pixel. I'm sorry, and click on done. So you're gonna have this on your chart. I believe you still remember how the strategy works. Alright, so I'm just gonna summarize it. This is crash 500. I told you whenever you notice this has gotten to this level, this same line, then you look for a crossing over on your main chart, then you take the long position. Alright, then this will be your exit point, or because there is another crossing over here but your condition has not been made here. This is where your condition has been fully made. Your condition were made here, then you take another selling position here. Your stop loss should be above this high, then your TP should be somewhere here because there's another crossing over here, but you're not gonna take another buying position here, or because your condition has not been made properly here. All right, so let me move to volatility index. Let me check the volatility 75. This is 50 minutes time frame. Okay, right, this is volatility 75. All right, this is first condition here. This is the second condition. The market went boom. All right, it still went boom all the way to this place, all the way to this place. All right, another condition has made here, so you're gonna have your stop loss here. Your entry is somewhere here. The market retraces a little, but at the end of the day, the market is still in a down trend. I believe you can see this. All right, so let me move to the jump index. I have to let me include some of my. Let me include the volatility index. Let me include the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The jump index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let's move to the volatility 75x1. All right, the volatility 75x1. This is 15 minutes time frame, so let's look for a proper entry. This is right. Whenever you back testing a strategy, make sure you move it to this last point here, so that you make any mistake while using it on your demo account or on your live account. All right, this first condition we made here, then there is a crossing over here. You take your TP. If you want to swing, you move your SL to this entry, then you went boom, then immediately you're done with this whole trend all the way from this place to this place. Then another condition has been made here. This is your stop loss above this high, your entry, then the market went crash. Then when you are done with that, another money is waiting for you at this point. This is a condition here, condition, then the market went boom. All right, so that is how it was. So let me check another commodity on the jump index. Let me check jump index 75. All right, just as you all know, the 75 index has been the stupid and the craziest index from the beginning. All right, a first condition has been made here. All right guys, but the second condition has not been made, all because the crossing over has not occurred on this main chart. Immediately there is a crossing over here, so I'm gonna be taking this trade on my live account. I'm supposed to wait so you guys can see how the strategy works, but I'm not gonna wait up because I don't want to make this video too very long. That is one of the reasons why I won't be able to take this trade in your presence. All right, so immediately there's a crossing over. I'm gonna put my stop loss above this eye here, then I will take selling entry here, and I will wait until I get a crossing over before I exit the trade. All right, that is just the simple way, that is just the simple as ABC, how this strategy works. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for sharing the video. I really appreciate you guys. Please make sure you work out this strategy. All right, this is not the only strategy I have on my YouTube channel. I have different kind of strategy. I have the one for the step index. I have the one for the boom and crash index. I have the one for the volatility index, but this one majorly works for the whole synthetic index, including the forex commodity, the currency pairs. This one works for every commodity. All right, please do make sure you risk you manage your risk. All right, thank you so much guys, I love you.